What happens if you put coconut oil on your belly button? Did you know this simple yet intriguing could transform your health in ways you never imagined? According to Ayurveda, this procedure was done to manage many health problems. From better digestion to glowing skin, this ancient remedy is becoming popular among health-conscious people. But is it really a miracle cure or just another health trend? Stay tuned with us till the end, because what you'll discover, benefits of using coconut oil on the belly button, what is the correct way to apply it, and if there are any side effects. So, let's get started. Did you know the belly button, or navel, isn't just a leftover scar from birth? In many cultures, it's considered the body's reset button, which connects nerves and blood vessels to vital organs. Even in Ayurveda, it's also known as a marma point. According to ancient Ayurvedic practices, applying oils to this tiny area could balance your body's energies and even cure certain ailments. Hence, it is an ideal spot for therapeutic oil application. You can choose different oils for this procedure. Each oil has different benefits. But here we talk about why coconut oil, what makes it so special, and how does it work. Let's see its benefits. First, improves digestion. As belly button is connected to the rest of the body through nerve endings, applying coconut oil to this area stimulates the digestive system. It helps improve digestion and relieve digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and constipation. It also promotes better nutrient absorption. Next, boosts immunity. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, which is a powerful compound known for its antimicrobial and antifungal properties. When applying coconut oil to the belly button, the lauric acid is absorbed through, which fights harmful bacteria and viruses in your system. The belly button is a sensitive area with thin skin, making it an excellent point for absorption. Next, nourishes skin and reduces dryness. Have you noticed how your belly button sometimes gets dry or flaky? Applying coconut oil here acts like a central hydration system for your body. It improves skin elasticity and prevents dryness. Coconut oil is also rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, which are essential for combating free radicals that cause premature aging. Next, promotes hair growth. You might be surprised to know that applying coconut oil to your belly button can also support hair growth. The nutrients absorbed through this area can enhance blood circulation to hair follicles as well. That promotes stronger and healthier hair over time. Reduces stress and anxiety. Massaging coconut oil into your belly button may help calm your mind and reduce stress levels. This practice is believed to stimulate the vagus nerve, which plays a crucial role in regulating relaxation responses in the body. Next, improves sleep quality. Have trouble falling asleep? Ancient Ayurvedic remedies suggest that applying coconut oil to your belly button before bedtime calms the nervous system. The gentle massage combined with the soothing aroma of coconut oil signals your brain to relax, helping you drift off more easily. Science supports this too. A study in sleep science found that consistent oil massages significantly improve sleep quality, relieves menstrual cramps. Massaging coconut oil into your belly button could help relax the muscles around your uterus, reducing pain. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe nerve endings, while the massage itself encourages better blood circulation to the pelvic area. According to Ayurvedic texts, warming the oil slightly before application amplifies the effect. Next, balances body temperature. For those who often feel excessively warm or suffer from body heat issues, applying coconut oil can help maintain temperature balance within the body. The cooling effect of coconut oil may provide comfort during hot weather or after intense physical activity. Before moving ahead, if you want to elevate your health, then why not start with a plant-based vegan diet? There are millions of people, including famous celebrities, who have made the switch to a vegan diet. It's rich in fiber and naturally low in saturated fat and cholesterol. It provides all essential nutrients for a healthy body. If you are curious to know how it works, what its benefits are, and which various recipes are, then download our free plant-based recipe cookbook guide. Check the link in the description. It is a complete guide for beginners, so don't miss out to get your free copy. Now, let's move ahead to the main topic. Coconut oil helps balance hormones. Hormonal imbalances affect everything from your mood to your metabolism. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, which are known to support the production of healthy hormones. Applying it to your belly button can stimulate endocrine glands. This helps to improve your hormonal balance naturally. These are some important benefits of applying coconut oil to the belly button. But along with this, you also need to be aware of the possible side effects. This is, while rare, aware, some people may be sensitive to coconut oil, which causes redness, itching, swelling, or rashes around the belly button. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, applying oil too frequently may clog pores around the navel. So, do a patch test on your wrist before applying it to your belly button. While few individuals may experience a mild burning sensation or discomfort after applying coconut to the belly button, if this occurs, it's best to wash off the oil immediately with lukewarm water. Now, let's see the correct method to apply it for maximum benefits. First, always choose cold-pressed organic coconut oil to avoid chemicals or additives. Wash your belly button gently with warm water and a mild cleanser. Then, pat dry. After that, slightly heat 1 to 2 drops of coconut oil until it's comfortably warm. Then gently massage the oil into your belly button in a circular for 2 to 3 minutes. For best results, allow the oil to absorb overnight. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week for noticeable changes. Have you ever tried using coconut oil like this before? Let us know your experience in the comments. If you want to step up your health, you can't miss what's coming next on your screen. This is something most people have less information about. Click on the video that's on your screen right now. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.